Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video I'll be analyzing Bajaj Finance Limited. Okay, now the first important thing what I've drawn is the resistance. Let me tell you how I've drawn this. And guys, let me tell you, I'm not using log chart here, I'm using linear chart. Okay, I have two indicators, that is 50 moving average and RSI. The first important thing I'm marking here is previous resistance, which will turn as a support now, which has in fact turned as a support. This was a previous resistance, previous high what it had made, that was 5372.50. Now the other important thing here is, if I mark this high and if I just scroll back, we have never seen prices reaching this level before. So this is the first time it has made all time high and it has breached recently. So here in this video I'll show you what can happen tomorrow and how this breakout and retesting will be treated. Now guys, if you see properly, this was all time high previously, this level, which was breached, and we can see prices move up and then retrace back. So this is called as breakout. This was a breakout candle, and today's candle, this candle is called as retest candle. Usually, let me draw a few lines here and explain you. Let's assume a stock has given a breakout here. This is a breakout candle. This is a bullish candle. It has given a break above this resistance level. Then guys, there are very good chances prices will retest this level and then bounce back like this, right? But this high what it has made, this will be a key level, because the selling has started from here itself and prices have been pushed to previous resistance, which is turning now as a support level. So once price breaches this high, till this high there will be a tough level to cross. There will be a good competition between buyers and sellers. Once this previous high breaks, then guys, prices, there are good chances it will start moving up, right? The same thing I'm explaining you here. This was a previous resistance and this was a breakout candle. Now in this candle you can see the good body candle, so this is a good breakout candle. Now after that, what has happened is, you can see here next two candles, it has tried its best to move up, but from this point, this candle, the sellers have been active and they have been pushing down. Let me mark that. From this point, sellers have been active and they have been pushing the price down. And you can, if you see here properly, this previous resistance has not been breached yet. If you see today's low, you can see the low here. Today's low is 5382.60 and previous resistance was 5372.50. Now what can happen tomorrow? Tomorrow there are good chances prices will reverse back from this level and start moving up. And this particular level from where the sellers have been active, it will be considered as a resistance zone. This level will be a resistance zone. Right? So tomorrow prices can start moving up like this, and once it enters this level, you will have to be a little alert until and unless price sustains above this high, that is 5665. Once price sustains above 5665, then there are good chances prices will move towards 5700 and 5800 levels, right? This is one estimation, this is one idea. The next idea on the short side is, if price sustains below this 5372.50, then guys, let me tell you, then buyers will become active and they'll start pushing price more down, at least towards the previous supports or maximum towards this 50 moving average, right? So this 5372.50 will be a deciding point for tomorrow. Let me mark the other supports as well. We have around 5300 and we have other support towards 5225, and this 50 moving average will be an important level to watch for. At this 50 moving average, we can see some good behavior in the price. It can just go down a little, and then next candle would be a good bullish candle probably, and it can start moving up. So this 50 moving average, make sure you have a look at it once price starts trading below 50 moving average. So tomorrow 5372.50 will be deciding point. In case even in intraday day traders, even if you find some reversal at from this level 5372.50, in case you see from this level a good bullish candle in 15 minutes time frame, then probably you can take a long position with proper risk reward ratios. And in case price breakdowns this level, wait for a while, let price sustain, and then probably you can take a short position as well, right? So this is a simple analysis again on Bajaj Finance. And to use this for reversal and all, I'll share an intraday strategy. A link will be in description box. You can just try using that also. It will also be a little powerful strategy, so you can use that strategy and try minting money, but make sure you trail your stop loss, guys. Trailing stop loss is very important. Now in next video I'll show you about Asian Paints also. I feel like there's good buying gonna come up. I'll see you in the next video. And guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for further updates. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.